Hello everybody, super excited to be here as usual. This is Cynthia for Parakeet, and our video today is how to hyper target a list. But let's say that you have your inboxes set up, they're warmed up, but the next step is leads. How do you hyper target these leads and how do you become relevant? We're gonna target marketing agency owners or companies that do exclusively marketing in the United States. So what are the steps? I'm obviously gonna go into my data tool, and you can use any data tool where you can pull emails from. And one of the very first few things that I'm going to do is obviously I'm going to check the email status is verified. Now you're going to have a lot of options in there, but I'm always going to click the verified one, and I'm always going to click include catch-all emails. Now the next step that I'm going to do is I'm obviously going to go into industries because I only want to target marketing. So I'm going to make sure that it's marketing and advertising. Now, because these are agency owners and I'm not going to target these huge Fortune 500 companies, I'm going to make sure that my employee size in these companies are up to 50 employees, because remember that when you're hyper targeting companies, you need to think of them as an onion.
They stink?
Yes. No.
Oh, they make you cry?
No.
Oh, you leave them out in the sun, they get all brown, start sprouting little white hairs?
No. Layers.
The bigger the company is, the more layers and the more decision makers that you're going to have to run into for whenever you're reaching out to these company owners. So we're only going to do 1 to 10, 11 to 20, and 21 to 50. And you guys can see that, I'm sorry, my tool is glitching right now. That I'm only going to pick out these 3 filters because these are the only 3 types of companies that I obviously want to reach out to. So I have hyper targeted by industry, which is marketing, employee size, and verified emails. Now I only want to target companies based out of the US, so I need to make sure that my location is based in the US. Now I'm gonna go right here and not North America. I'm gonna make sure it says only United States. So most people would say your list is perfect, Cynthia, it's ready to go out. No, my list is not perfect because I still need to hyper target and bring the list down, because I only want to reach out to relevant decision makers. So I'm going to go right here, and the first thing that I'm going to do is click on management level. Why? Because not everybody, even though that they have the title CEO or owner, is a decision maker. We're going to leave partner in because sometimes partners are also owners. No discrimination here. And we're also going to click heads. So that brings my total list down, as you guys saw, to 104,000 people in the US. And I still have to make one tweak: departments and functions. I am reaching out to marketing agency decision makers. I'm going to pretend I'm building a list, because what we're going to do is build an email for a staffing firm. But decision makers in these type of companies are normally either C-suite, owners, founders, or in the marketing department or sales departments if we're targeting. But we're going to reach out to companies that need exclusively social media managers. So I'm going to make sure I'm only reaching out to C-suite. I'm going to make sure I'm only reaching out to human resources. Obviously, these are decision makers. And I'm going to make sure that I'm clicking marketing, sales, and operations. And those are the 4 types of departments I'm going to reach out to, because they're the only relevant ones that are related to my specific list. With that, my list should be built, and my total number of decision makers is going to be between 40,000 to 60,000. Now, again, this is just on how I would hyper target a list for marketing owners or small marketing agencies with up to 50 employees. Now, what are some tips that I will give you? you need to remember that just because somebody has the C in their title or somebody's a head or director, that doesn't make them a decision maker. You need to think of who carries the yes in your decision and who is part of your ICP. What is your ICP? Your ICP is your ideal customer profile. And obviously verified leads only, that you need to run them twice in Parakeet or any other verification tool. Have a great one, everybody. Bye.